Good morning, students. Today we will study class 8 maths and chapter 2. Name is exponents. In your previous class, 7th class, you have studied about exponents. For example, 3 raised to power 4. So it can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 4 times. So this is the short notation of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here 3 is called the base and 4 is called the exponent. So 3 is the base and 4 is called the exponent, and this representation is called exponential notation. 3 raised to power 4 is exponential notation. And for any rational number a upon b, we can write a upon b raised to power n. Then a upon b is the base and n is the exponent. For solving problems related to exponential notation, we have some laws of exponents which are as under. First law is a upon b raised to power n multiplied by a upon b raised to power n. So here bases are same a upon b, but powers are different. So we will, after multiplication, we will take base same and powers will be added, and this is the first law. And second law, when bases are same and powers are different but exponents are divided, so in this case base will remain same a upon b and exponents will be subtracted, it will become m minus n. Third law is that a upon b raised to power n, power n. So when there is a power and power, then in this case this is a upon b, powers will be multiplied, it will become m into n. When any rational number has zero exponent, then its value will be always 1. And again one more law is that when a upon b has negative exponent, then we will make the base as reciprocal, it will become b upon a and exponent will become n plus. Fifth rule is a upon b raised to power n and c upon d raised to power n. So in this case bases are different, powers are same. So bases will be multiplied, a multiplied by c and b multiplied by d, and powers will remain same. And now let us do some question. For example, I am taking one example. 4 upon 7 raised to power 5 multiplied by 4 upon 7 raised to power minus 3. So here bases are same and powers are different. So we will apply first law, bases are same, powers will be added. So it will become 4 upon 7 raised to power 5 plus minus 3. So I have added power 5 plus minus 3. Now plus minus minus, it will become minus 3. 5 minus 3 will become 2. So 4 upon 7 raised to power 2. On simplification, I will write 4 into 4 divided by 7 into 7. So it will become 16 divided by 49. So this is the answer. Now take one more example. Say minus 2 by 7 raised to power minus 4 multiplied by minus 5 raised to power 2. So in this case bases are different and powers are different. So we will first make it this reciprocal. So it will become minus 7 by 2 raised to power 4 plus 1, and it will become minus 5 by 7 multiplied by 2. So I will simply write 4 times minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2 and minus 7 by 2. And here I will write minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 7 multiplied by minus 5 by 7. So I can cut 7 2 times here and multiply 7 into 7, 49, and minus 4 times will be plus, and total 6 times it will be plus. So 49 multiplied by 25, 2 to the 4 and 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So 25 9 ja 225 and 25 4 ja 100 and 20 122. So answer will be 1225 and upon 60. Now we are solving exercise 2a and first question is evaluate part third 4 upon 3 raised to power minus 3. So first of all we will convert negative power into positive power. For that we will reciprocal 4 upon 3, it will become 3 upon 4 positive power 3. Now I will write 3 into 3 into 3 and 4 into 4 into 4. So 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27 and 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64. So 27 upon 64 is the answer and remaining part you will do yourself. Question number 2. Second part is 5 upon 6 raised to power 6 multiplied by 5 upon 6 raised to power minus 4. So in this we will apply first term, that is the bases are same, then powers must be added. I have added 4 plus minus 4. So plus minus 4 it will become minus 4. So 6 minus 4 it will be 2. So 5 upon 6 raised to power 2, it will be 5 into 5 and 6 into 6. 5 5 is 25 and 6 6 is 36. So 25 upon 36 is the answer. Now I am doing question number third. First part 5 upon 9 minus 2 raised to power minus 2, 3 upon 5 minus 3 and 3 upon 5 raised to power 0. So here both are negative power. So I will reciprocal them. It will become 9 upon 5 raised to power plus 2 and this will be 5 upon 3 raised to power plus 3. And if any number, any rational number has 0 exponential, it means its value is 1. So what I do here, I will multiply 9 into 9 divided by 5 into 5 and here I will write 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 3 into 3. So now I can cut numerator and denominator. 5 से 5 कट गया and again 5 से 5 कट हो गया and 3 बचा 3 and 3 3 जा 9, again 3 बचा 3 and 3 बचा 3. So answer will be 9 into 5. So 9 5 जा 45 is the answer. Understand? Now question number 4, second part, in which minus 1 by 3 raised to power 2 again raised to power minus 2 and again raised to power minus 1. So in this we will apply third law. When powers are multiplied, then in this case power will be multiplied, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. So minus 2 and minus 2 for minus 1 will become plus 2 and this will be minus 1 by 3 raised to power 2. Again we will apply third law. So this will be multiplied, powers will be multiplied, 2 into 2 4 powers and minus 1 by 3 upon from minus 1 by 3 raised to power 4. So I will write minus 1 by 3 4 times and multiply minus into minus plus plus minus again minus and minus minus again plus. So numerator is plus 1 and denominator is 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81. So answer is 1 upon 81. Now question number 5 we are solving. Evaluate 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 3 minus bracket minus 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 3 braces divided by 1 by 4 raised to power minus 3. So in this all the three powers are negative. So first of all we will make them positive and reciprocal the rational number. So it will be 3 raised to power plus 3 and minus 2 raised to power plus 3 and divided by 4 raised to power plus 3. So first we will solve this. So it will be 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27 and it will be minus 3 times. It will be minus and 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8. So minus 8 minus multiplied by it will become plus 8 and divided by 4 4 are 16, 16 4 the 64. 27 plus 8, it will become 35 and divided by 64. So this is the answer, question number 5. Now we will solve next question. Yes, now we are solving question number 8, part 3rd. 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 upon 4 raised to power minus 2. So in this, all these powers are negative integers. So first we will convert them into positive. For that we will make reciprocal of these numbers. So it will become 2 upon 1 raised to power 2, 3 upon 1 raised to power 2 and 4 upon 1 raised to power 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, it will be 4, 3 multiplied by 3, it will be 9 and 4 multiplied by 4, it will be 16. So 16 plus 4, 20 plus 9, 29 is the answer. Now I am solving question number 10. Find the value of x for which 4 upon 9 raised to power 4 multiplied by 4 upon 9 raised to power minus 7 is equal to 4 upon 9 raised to power 2x minus 1. So here bases are same, so powers must be added. So I am adding 4 plus minus 7. Now 4 plus minus 7 will become minus 7. So 4 minus 7 will become minus 3. So 4 upon 9 raised to power minus 3 equal to 4 upon 9 raised to power 2 minus 1. So here bases of this equation are same. So powers must be equal. So when bases are same, then powers must be equal. So I will equate minus 3 with 2x minus 1. Now I am transferring minus 1 to right hand side. So minus 3 plus 1, it will become minus 2. Now 2x, x will be divided, minus 2 will be divided by 2. So it will cut minus 2 1 bar and it will become minus 1 is the answer. Now I am doing question number 12. Question number 12 says that by what number should minus 3, 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient is 4 upon 27 raised to power minus 2. So let us assume that x be divided by minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3 so that quotient is 4 upon 27 raised to power minus 1. So first of all, I will convert negative powers into positive powers. So reciprocal of 2 upon 3 will be minus 3 upon 2 divided by x, and it will be reciprocal 27 divided by 4 plus power 2. Now I will convert this into exponential form. So 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3 and 4 will become 2 raised to power 2. So 3 multiplied by 2, 3 to the 6, 3 raised to power 6 and 2 multiplied by 2, it will become 2 raised to power 4. Now for transpose, I will take x on left hand side and this will on right hand side. I will solve 3 raised to power 3 and minus 3 times it will come out minus, and 2 to the power 3 it will be 2 to the power 3, and here it will become reciprocal. So 3 by 3 power 6 will come in denominator and 2 by 4 will come in numerator. So here powers are divided. 4 and 3 will be minus 2 raised to power 4 minus 3, and here it will be 3 raised to power 6 minus 3. So I will get 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3 will be 27. So answer will be minus 2 upon 27. Now let us solve the last question of this exercise, question number 15. Sorry, 13. Question is, if 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125, then we have to find the value of x. So first of all, we will convert these into exponential form. So 5 2x plus 1 divided by 5 to the power 2 is equal to 5 to the power 3, because 5 to the power 3 is 125. Now I will transfer this to right hand side. 5 to the power 2x plus 1. So divided will be transferred to right hand side in the form of multiplication. So 5 to power 3 and 5 to power 2 will be added. So it will become 5 raised to power 5. Now, when bases on both sides are same, then power must be equal. So, powers must be equal. So, 2x plus 1 is equal to 5, and this is 2x is equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So, x will be 4 upon 2 upon 2. So, value of x is 2. Now we have completed this exercise, and you have to solve remaining questions yourself in your notebook, and I will check it